Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to an exciting adventure into the realm of Amazon machine learning. This video will be uncovering the key features and capabilities that make Amazon's machine learning platform an absolute game changer. Get ready to be inspired by the immense possibilities that lie within the realm of Amazon machine learning. So to get started with this exciting website, simply head on over to Amazon Machine Learning, and we have here the sponsored website at the Amazon one, the official one. Excuse me. Let's click to the official one, Machine Learning and Artificial Intelligence. So now here we are on the homepage or the interface of the website, where you find all the key features that I talked about them before, and some other information that we will come back to them later to talk a little about them. But first, let me show you how to create or register for the first time on this website, Amazon Machine Learning. So to do that, you need to go to this orange button and click on it, create an AWS account. Now you need to get your email address here that you used for account recovery in some administrative function. That means the email that you use. And here you need to choose a name for your account, and you can change it whatever you want. And we need to verify the email address. So now this should be sent an email to our inbox. We will verify it right now. So it's here. We need to write it over here. So now we need to create a password and rewrite it over here. When these sentences become green, that means the password is valuable. Now we need to rewrite it here. Now for this step, we need to answer some following question here. This is the second step from the 5. How do you plan to use AWS businesses for your work, school, organization, or personal for your own projects? Okay, let's click on this one. And we need to click to the full name, Susan Bryan, and you need to get your phone number here. It's not correct, it's just like that, but you need to enter valid informations, and the country and region. You need just to select the country, and the address here, and the apartments of the suite, unit, building, floor, etc., the city, the state or the province or the region, and the postal code. Then you need to click on that you have read and agree to the term of the service, and continue to the third step. Now the step number 3, it's about the billing information. I will not create an account or real account. I will just show you how to do that because I don't use this website, so I don't have any reason to get my information of the billing or the credit card. But now here you need to click or enter the number of the credit card. Is contain 16 numbers. You will find this front of the card. Then the expiration date, here you need to select the month, and here the year. And after that you need to enter the card holder's name. That mean is it MasterCard or Visa or any one of that. And after that the billing address, is it the same with the email or another one, a new address. Then you need to verify and continue. That means it's still 2 steps. I don't think that I can pass this one because I didn't get my billing information, so I will try. So because my billing information is not correct, I cannot complete the steps, but it stands just the verification. That means you will just upload an image for your credit card or for the ID card, and then you will create the account successfully. Now let's come back to the homepage to talk a little about these key features here and know this website is for what. First thing, we have scalability and cloud infrastructure. The Amazon machine learning harness the power of Amazon Web Services, AWS, providing scalable and reliable infrastructure that allows you to process large datasets and build machine learning model with ease. Like example, let's click on the EC2 P3 GPU instance and say goodbye to the infrastructure limitation and hello to limitless possibilities, like you see here. And also we have the most important thing, like always in this kind of the websites, is the streamlined model building. Or we can also say gone are the days of complex coding and data pre-processing. With Amazon machine learning, you can quickly build accurate models using simple intuitive interface. It's all about enabling you to focus on the data and insights that truly matter. And if you find any issue or any problems on the website, it's simply you can go to the supports, this one here, where also you can find the security and compliance. The data security and compliance are paramount in today's digital landscape. With Amazon machine learning, you can rest assured knowing that your data is protected by the robust security measures and compliance certification provided by AWS. And let me tell you as the last thing, as we wrap up our exploration of Amazon machine learning, we hope you're inspired by the incredible potential it holds for transforming your data-driven workflows. Join us to this journey to unlock the power of machine learning with Amazon's cutting-edge platform and pave the way for innovation, insight, and success. So this is the last of our video today. I hope you get to understand. If you like the video, please subscribe for more and follow me to see more videos like this. So like usual, my guys, bye bye to the next video and next website.